What's the meaning of architectonic? Architectonic. Architectonic.
Architectonic. Architectonic. Architectonic refers to the structure or organization of something, particularly in relation to its overall design. It is often used in reference to buildings or other physical structures, but can also apply to abstract concepts or systems. A well-designed architectonic system is one that is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also functional and efficient. It takes into account both form and function, with each element serving a purpose and contributing to the overall coherence of the system. In short, architectonic design is about creating a harmonious whole from individual parts.